precision tooling and injection moulding for over a quarter of a century. Since the management buyout 3.5 years ago, Dudley Associates has been transformed and updated with major investments in all areas of the business. Our in-house design department can advise on product design, especially if there is an assembly that needs to function correctly. It also is essential to source the correct polymer for your product, as it may be used in an environment that has to conform to certain regulations, such as on an oil rig or extreme temperature ranges in an aircraft. We can help identify the optimal polymer for this purpose. We now have a new bespoke CNC facility. The recent acquisition of Aroda's RXP 801 will work alongside the existing 500, utilising automated robotics providing 24/7 machining. As a result of this investment, our lead times for tooling have reduced significantly. New state-of-the-art moulding machinery means we now have 8 injection moulding machines ranging from 35 tonne to 300 tonnes. We mould any polymer from general purpose polypropylenes and PCABSs to high temperature ultims and PEEK. This offers us great flexibility for various projects including automotive and aerospace. We also have a Class 8 cleanroom facility which is ideal for certain medical and other sectors. As your products are produced, we can assemble them for you or package them so they are ready for market. Whether your parts are for normal use or an integral part of a car or aircraft, ISO 9001 quality guidelines means your part will be in tolerance and in specification.